Flatness. Definition. Flatness is a surface form control. Any part surface has flaws, ridges, grooves, pits and bumps. Therefore, it becomes essential to measure this irregularity. A perfectly flat surface has all its surface elements in the same plane. Error. The flatness tolerance zone consists of the distance between two parallel planes. A flatness feature control plane frame creates a tolerance zone not related to any datum. Therefore, it is incorrect to specify as so. However, any feature being controlled for flatness can be a datum feature itself, which is to be used as primary datum. For more information on datum features, refer the datum modules. Control. Flatness control can also be used on rate basis. Here, there are two levels of control, generally called two-tier. Here, the upper tier contains the usual overall surface control, while the lower tier contains a tighter tolerance to be held over limited portions of the surface. This is done to prevent abrupt variations in the surface within a relatively small area. The size and shape of the area to be controlled must be clearly specified. Requirement. Flatness is used as a refinement of the form control imposed by size limits on the part. Therefore, the flatness tolerance is smaller than size tolerance. The limits of size control, the flatness, straightness and parallelism of the opposing surfaces to within 0.01. But due to assembly requirement, the top surface must be flatter than 0.010. Therefore, a refinement of the flatness given by size limits has been used. Requirement continued. This direct flatness control makes the surface acceptable only if all the elements of the surface reside within a tolerance zone consisting of two parallel planes 0.002 apart. These planes may take on any angle or location that will allow the surface to comply. However, as the size of the part approaches 1.250, that is mmc, the surface must be flatter and flatter until, if the part uniformly measures 1.250 mmc, the opposing surfaces are perfectly flat, straight and parallel. This is referred as perfect form at mmc. Measurement. Flatness can be measured using a surface plate with a centrally located hole. A dial indicator is mounted on the surface plate. The indicator reading is the flatness error of the surface.